For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. In the age of artificial intelligence, AI, finding cheap flight tickets no longer requires hours of manual searching. AI-powered tools can analyze thousands of data points in seconds, predict price trends, and alert you when to buy. This guide walks you through step-by-step how to leverage AI to score the best deals on airfare. Step 1. Understand how AI helps with flights. Before diving into specific tools, it's helpful to understand what AI actually does in the context of flight booking. Price prediction. AI models forecast whether flight prices will rise or fall based on historical data, demand, seasonality, and other variables. Real-time monitoring. AI bots scan for changes in airfare 24/7. Personalization. AI tools learn your preferences and tailor flight recommendations. Automation. AI can automate alerts, bookings, and rebookings. Step 2. Use AI-powered flight search engines. Several flight search engines now use AI to optimize search results, analyze price trends, and notify users when fares drop. Top AI-based tools to use. 1. Google Flights. Features. Predicts if prices are low/high. Offers suggestions for cheaper dates/airports. AI benefit. Uses historical pricing to recommend the best time to buy. How to use. Go to Google Flights. Enter your origin and destination. Browse the calendar to see how prices change. Use the Track Prices toggle to get email alerts. 2. Hopper. Features. Mobile app that predicts future flight prices with 95% accuracy. AI benefit. Advises whether to buy now or wait. How to use. Download the Hopper app. Set your destination and travel dates. Follow the app's AI recommendation. 3. Skyscanner. Features. Offers cheapest month, view, and flight alerts. AI benefit. Recommends dates/airports to optimize savings. How to use. Visit Skyscanner. Select whole month or cheapest month. Use the Set Price Alert option. 4. Kayak Price Alerts. Features. Tracks multiple routes. AI benefit. Monitors real-time pricing trends and sends alerts. How to use. Sign in at Kayak. Search for your route. Click Track Prices and enable alerts. Step 3. Use AI-based browser extensions. Certain browser extensions use AI to find better deals or coupons. Popular extensions. 1. Honey by PayPal. Function. Scans for hidden deals and promo codes. How to use. Add Honey to Chrome/Firefox. Visit travel sites like Expedia or Priceline. Let Honey check for any last-minute discount codes. 2. Hopper Flight Deals Extension. Function. Sends push notifications for flight drops. How to use. Install from the Chrome Web Store. Sign in and select routes to monitor. Step 4. Leverage chatbots and virtual travel assistants. AI chatbots can help you search flights and notify you of discounts. Examples. 1. Skyscanner's AI Travel Assistant. Available via Facebook Messenger. Ask it questions like, find me the cheapest flight from Miami to NYC next month. 2. ChatGPT Plus Web Plugin. Use ChatGPT, like this one, with a web-enabled plugin too. Compare flights. Ask questions like, when's the cheapest time to fly from LAX to London? Get summaries of best tools to use. Step 5. Get AI alerts for mistake fares and flash sales. Some platforms use AI to spot mistake fares, rare pricing errors that result in ultra-low prices. Best services. 1. Going, formerly Scott's Cheap Flights. Uses AI to monitor routes and catch error fares. Offers premium alerts via email. 2. Airfare Watchdog. AI monitors sites for unadvertised deals and sends email digests. 3. Secret Flying. Combines AI alerts with human curation. Often features flash sales, hacker fares, and rare deals. Step 6. Use flexible date and destination tools. AI excels when given flexibility. Let it suggest when and where it's cheapest to fly. How to. On Google Flights or Skyscanner, choose flexible dates. Explore destinations. Use Hopper's Deals tab for personalized destinations based on your travel habits. Step 7. Automate the booking process with AI bots. If you're super busy, automation tools can monitor, decide, and even book for you. Example tool 1. FareDrop, created by YouTubers Kara and Nate. AI curates flights based on your departure airport and preferences. Premium version books flights automatically for top-tier deals. Step 8. Consider AI-powered credit card rewards optimization. Some AI tools help optimize your credit card usage for travel points. Examples: Card Pointers helps you use the right credit card to earn maximum travel points. Point.me uses AI to find how to best redeem credit card points for flights. Step 9. Watch for dynamic pricing and clear your cookies. Airlines use their own AI to increase prices based on your behavior. Tips: search in incognito/private mode. Clear your cookies regularly. Use a VPN to search from different regions. AI may find better rates this way. Step 10. Use AI to rebook or get refunds if prices drop. Some AI tools track if prices drop after you book and help you get a refund or credit. Best tools. 1. Hopper's Price Freeze. Locks in prices for a few days with a small fee. 2. Do Not Pay, AI Lawyer Bot. I can request refunds on your behalf if the fare drops or flights get canceled. Bonus tips: book flights on Tuesday or Wednesday. AI data from multiple sources suggests midweek prices tend to be lower. Avoid booking on weekends. Demand is higher, so prices rise. Use a mix of airlines. Airfare. Some AI tools suggest split tickets on different airlines for cheaper rates. Conclusion: with the rapid development of artificial intelligence, hunting for flight deals has become more efficient, accurate, and less time-consuming. Whether you're planning a quick getaway or an international adventure, using AI tools like Google Flights, Hopper, and Skyscanner, along with browser extensions and chatbots, gives you an edge. Start by setting price alerts, remaining flexible with dates and destinations, and allowing AI to automate the heavy lifting. The smart traveler today isn't necessarily the one who searches the most, but the one who uses the smartest tools. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.